Hi friends, in this video I will show you how you can make this subscribe button with your own mobile phone. So I am Ahmed from ARZONE, and before watching the video, subscribe our channel and click into the bell icon for more videos like this. First of all, install Pixel app and Kinemaster app, and then open Pixel app, and what I am doing, just follow my tricks. And then open the Kinemaster app, and again, which I am doing the tricks, just follow my tricks, and then you can easily make this subscribe button. Okay, that's all for today. In this video, I am just wants to show you how you can make this subscribe button in your mobile. You can do your own process also. I am just give you a sample how you can create this subscribe button. If you want the subscribe button, the link is in description. You can download from the description. So how is the video? Tell me in the comments, and never forget to subscribe and click into the bell icon for more notifications, and like these videos. If you want, you can subscribe our channel.